to mama. Come to mama. Come to Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Was this a good idea?
Pancakes, not the muffins.
I'm making muffins too, baby.
Oh, you have to everyone too.
You want to help me?
Yes.
You guys, everybody end up in the kitchen with me this morning. Because Tyler want to help me and Sarah want to follow behind Tyler. Tyler, say good morning to the Fibs.
Good morning.
What we gonna do?
Muffins.
I was gonna make some muffins and Tyler didn't know that I was about to make muffins. So he ran in the kitchen and said he wants to help.
What do I start to give you?
I am gonna make our favorite healthy oats banana muffin.
I can give you one of the egg.
Yes, you're gonna give me the eggs. Hold on. Tyler also said he want pancake for lunch, so I'm gonna make pancake for Tyler lunch,
But
which I already whip up right there. So that's gonna be done after, and then I'm going to make some wrap, avocado, tuna, chicken, cheese wrap for babe and I lunch, and then Sarah lunch is already ready. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. This vlog is just all over the place right now. I'm just starting it off as things happen.
Excuse me, Mama.
You start.
I'm going to stay 7, then I'm going to come back.
No, leave Sarah alone.
But he's going to eat.
No, if Sarah gonna eat, I wouldn't be in the kitchen.
Oh.
Say morning, Sarah. Say morning to the face.
Morning.
Alright. You guys have seen me make this muffin before, but in case you haven't seen it, all I'm using is 2 banana, oats, almond milk, baking soda, baking powder, stevia, chocolate chip, a yogurt, and eggs. I think I'm going to bake it one day and put it on my food channel. So if you guys want to know exactly the exact method, then just stick around and subscribe to my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, and you'll see this muffin. Alright, let's go. First thing first, we need to mash the bananas.
Oh, banana.
Yeah.
I'm going to peel.
So if you can peel the banana for me,
Okay.
and don't bite it. Sarah helping me to peel the banana.
Wow.
Ah!
What?
Sarah wanted to eat.
Mama, look. Wow.
Sarah want the banana to eat. Sarah don't want to help.
Breaking.
Hmm?
It breaks.
It break? That's okay. Drop it in here. Sarah, you want piece? Taste it.
It's very yummy, though and soft.
She wanted.
Eat all of it.
Oh Lord. And baby's working, baby's in the office. So I can't have baby help right now. Okay.
I can put.
Hold your hand. Hold your hand over the pan.
Wow, a lot of chocolate tea.
Throw it in.
Woo!
More.
It looks like chocolate.
chocolate what?
Lemon bubbly.
Chocolate lean.
Chocolate lean.
And we're gonna stir in our chocolate chip and Sarah hand is in it.
Now is a chocolate lean and the chocolate going down and there's no more chocolate.
Throw it in, throw it. Right, too much. Okay, good. Take up more. Fill your scoop. Fill your scoop up. Go on. If it mess up, Mama will clean it after. Too much. Don't put too much in them, Ty. Okay? When you see it filling up, you stop. Like that. No, Sarah, no hitting.
Too much.
Sarah, no hitting.
Just 3 more.
It is in the oven and I'm making Tyler's pancake. Then I'm going to feed Sarah and then I'm going to come back and make Babe and I lunch. You guys, I did workout this morning. Workout was good. I'll show you that a little taste. I'll show you a little taste of what I did this morning. Hopefully you guys are still staying active and still getting your workout in while you're home. Even if you're not home, when you go back home from work, just try and do something. It's not easy. That's the hardest, you know, when you have to go out to work and come back in and work out. Even when you have to stay home and work all day and then have to work out in the evening, because I can tell you it's not easy for Babe, but he's determined and he's getting the job done and we're seeing results, and it's just amazing to see his dedication to, you know, and see how excited he is when he sees the results. Anyway, guys, I have a lot to do around here, so enjoy your day. Make sure you guys are staying safe as usual. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, give Mama a kiss. Giving Mama a kiss. Give Mama a kiss. Yeah, you're looking in the pot? I'm making pancake for brother. Good girl. One more.
Mama, 4 of them with the tiny dot Lego.
Okay.
I found it in the same box.
It's alright. Pancake and Nutella for lunch as you requested. Look at his face.
Come right now, Mama. Do it like I'm eating.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, look at this big pancake.
It's all done. Oh, there we go. Have 12 nice scrumptious muffins. Alright, put those aside to cool. And now I'm making lunch for Babe and I. So here goes lunch. Here the mix up that's going on now. Avocado mash. And to that I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Like that. And then to that I'm gonna add a small can of tuna. Mash that out. So I'm mashing the avocado in with the tuna and the pepper all together. So there we go with that. And then to this I am going to grate some cheese, and then I'm gonna mix that in. I'm gonna add a wrap, a wheat wrap. That's what it looks like, and then I'm going to add that to the wrap that is in the pot right now. And I'm gonna fold that just like that. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. It looks so good. It looks so good. And you make that crispy on both sides, and voila, you'll thank me later. This avocado, tuna, cayenne mix in this wrap. It's so good. Bomb. Look at it. Hello, wakey wakey, eggs on bakey. Hi, how was your nap, gorgeous girl? Hi, Mama. How was your nap? Hi, Mama. How was your nap? Your nap was good? Yeah, your nap was good. Mwah. You had a good nap. You ready for your bottle? Butter? 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 Who is that pretty girl ready for a bottle? Oh, ready for your bottle? Ready for butter? Butter, butter, butter. You guys, I'm having such a tiring day. I'm tired. I even fell asleep early and took a little nap. I'm gonna feed my baby girl right now and then jump back in the kitchen and make dinner. I'm tired.
Get up, get up, get up, walk, walk, walk.
He wants her to walk so badly.
Walk. Do two-step without me helping you. Two-step, Sarah. Yay! You finished! Stand all by yourself. Stand all by yourself. Right. Don't you just stand on.
Wait, take time. You have to be gentle with her. So you're taking away her bar? He wants her to walk so bad. Tay, you can't take away her bar. Brother punishing you so you can start walk. Tell brother, say wait. When I start walk, I'm sorry for you because I won't stop. I won't stop when I start walking. And I'll walk in everything you have. So you stay there. You guys are finished making dinner for today. Let me show you guys what I made. Okay, so I made meatballs over here, looking so delicious. All right, and then I made some steamed broccolis, and then spaghetti. So there goes dinner. Looks good. The boys will be happy.
Bye-bye.
He's hiding from you, Sarah. He's hiding from his Sarah. Find him. Find him, princess. I've been walking all morning. I'm trying to catch it for you. Come, Sarah, come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come to. You did good.